Oh, go on, change down just for the sake of it. Hello guys, and welcome back to Car Obsession. So, you may have seen recently that I fitted a Ford Motorsport short shifter to Leo, my Mk2 SEAT Leon Cupra. And you've probably seen me fit it, so this video is of course my review and what I think of it. Now for starters, let me say a massive thank you to Ford Motorsport for sending me their shifter for me to fit and to review. If you're interested in buying this shifter, then I'll pop a link in the video description below. I would say it's fantastic value, it's easy to install, well, apart from the bit with the shift boot, but that's more a reflection of my car as opposed to the product itself. Then I would urge you to buy it. But that's the kind of sales bump out the way. Oh, the lighting's got a bit iffy. How does it actually perform? Well, it's a fantastic modification. I'm just going to put it straight out there. The changes, they definitely feel more snappy, and the original stock change wasn't bad. It was robust enough, solid enough, but in my opinion it was simply too long. And of course that's where the short shifter comes in. I can now change gears more easily, quicker, and it's just more seamless. Okay, I won't lie, it does feel a little bit notchy, but to be fair, the standard change was somewhat notchy. That's not really a complaint, that's just an observation. Now, in case you're wondering, I don't have the short shifter set to its shortest, because from what I've heard, if you pop it over to its shortest, then that does make it quite notchy. So I've got it, I'd say, just below the maximum amount of shortness. Or just stop for this ambulance. NHS doing a sterling job as always, but they're reversing, that's fine. Right, let's drop it down 1 or 2 gears, and let's just gun it. That change, it just feels so much better. Definitely slicker. And it just helps to give this particular car more involvement. Makes it more fun, more exciting, because you can really just grab at the gears. And it just makes the driving sensation snappier. Alright, give it another burst. Oh. What a fantastic modification. So guys, if you have a SEAT Leon or perhaps a Golf or Octavia or Audi S3, that kind of thing, and you want to have a shorter shift, then I would thoroughly recommend you head straight to fordmotorsport.co.uk, have a look at their short shifter. And the great thing is the short shifter itself, it's adjustable. So you can change how long or short you want your throws to be, and it just helps to give you that extra bit of customization that you want. So there we are guys, so a relatively short but sweet video. Once again, a massive thank you to Ford Motorsport for sending me their short shifter for me to test and try. I'm very happy with the results. So yes, thank you so much guys for watching. I do hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you are subscribed, don't forget to click the bell icon so you get notified every time I make a video. But until the next time guys, be sure to keep up the car obsession. Oh, go on, change down just for the sake of it.